There we are. The gut. And the erratic. And winter snows. And a snowshoe trail. Forged by a bevy of young beauties we met earlier on the trail. They're faithful animals. Yes. Very good dogs. What do you see, Casper? More seagulls? Breeze anyway. Well, we should get out of the wind. Probably making interference noises. Come on. Ellen. Ellen of the two sticks. Well, you'll become a two-stick person in no time. Yes. There's the stairway to that upper part of the trail. Here's the trail down along Cuckold's Cove and Kitty Kitty Harbor, and this is the pipeline trail. Did you see a bunny rabbit? Ah. Yes, lameness disappears when there's squirrels or rabbits in the offing.